Worried your partner has a secret family this holiday? Did you know hackers, and sometimes even your own partner, can monitor your devices just as easily as strangers can? Spot the signs and stay safe. Check the description for resources and expert help. Let's talk about something a lot of people don't realize: how common tech-facilitated abuse is, especially during the holidays. It's 2025, and our lives are more connected than ever. With all the gift-giving, device-sharing, and family apps, it's supposed to be cozy. But for some, it's just another way for abusers to tighten their grip. Why does tech abuse spike during the holidays? Think about it. You're sharing phones to snap family photos, syncing devices, so everyone's in the loop, even gifting smart gadgets or trackers. All these moments can become opportunities for someone who wants to invade your privacy. Let's break down the main ways abusers monitor their partners with technology. First up, Stalkerware and Spyware apps. These are sneaky programs that can be installed on your phone or laptop without you even noticing. They record everything: your messages, your calls, even your real-time location. Second, shared accounts or cloud syncing. If you have a joint iCloud, Google, or family account, it might seem convenient, but it gives someone access to your photos, private messages, and sometimes even your search history, remotely and silently. Third, location tracking through apps and devices. Family location sharing, fitness trackers, even smart gifts like Find My Device tags can be turned against you. If you're sharing your location, you might be sharing more than you think. So, how do these work in real life? Picture this. During a holiday party, your partner borrows your phone to take a selfie, but in those few minutes, they quietly install a Stalkerware app. Now, every move you make is tracked. Or maybe you've both got access to a family cloud account. Great for sharing holiday snaps, right? But now, your partner can see every text or photo you take without ever touching your device. Another scenario, your partner gifts you a smart key tracker to help you find your keys. Sounds sweet until you realize it's also pinging your location to their phone, constantly. Let's get real. Unauthorized monitoring isn't just wrong, it's illegal in most places. If you're worried about tech abuse, here are some tips. Check your devices for unfamiliar apps or settings. Update your passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Be careful with shared accounts. Review who has access. Turn off location sharing unless it's absolutely necessary. If you spot any signs of surveillance, reach out to experts or support services. Links are in the description for hotlines and digital safety tools. Protect yourself from tech abuse this holiday and beyond. Check the links in the description for support hotlines and safety tools. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awareness on digital safety and relationship red flags.